Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Before changing the taskbar, you should prepare a restore point and backup. Create a system restore point now using Control Panel. Sign into an administrator account to ensure you can change system settings. Save and close all open apps before you begin. This prevents data loss if you need to restart Explorer or the PC. Keep your Windows updates paused until changes finish. Confirm you have at least one administrator account available. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus. I then choose Personalization. Select Taskbar and then scroll to Taskbar Behaviors to reveal Hide options. Check Automatically Hide the taskbar to remove the visible taskbar until needed. Click Away or Close Settings and move your mouse to the screen edge to test it. The taskbar appears only when you hover at the bottom. If it stays visible, restart Explorer or sign out and back in to apply the change. For a temporary removal, open Task Manager with Control-Shift-ESC and find Windows Explorer. Right-click Windows Explorer and choose End Task to hide the taskbar temporarily. Restart Explorer from Task Manager by choosing File, then Run New Task and entering Explorer. EXE. For a persistent change, you can edit the registry, but first create a restore point and export the key you will change. Open Regedit as Admin and Backup HKey Current User Software, Microsoft Windows Current Version Explorer before modifying values. Reboot to confirm changes or restore the backup if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.